Hey, this is Anna Malimon with eLifeBOSS. I wanted to ask you, do you have a focused plan and a path, or are you just doing random things on a daily basis? Or are you basically not really doing anything even specific that will produce any income in your business? Or maybe you don't even have a specific strategy that you follow. A lot of times we can get lost if we are not focused, if we don't have a specific plan that we're working with a specific strategy. And I feel like sometimes, especially when we're starting out online, we are often in that position. And the best thing for us to do is to follow a proven path, a system, something that's already been done, a strategy that's already been proven to work. And if you don't have a step by step plan that you're following, then I would suggest that you check out eLifeBoss.com. When you get on that page, you will see an affiliate marketing masterclass. If you check that out, you will find that we provide a step by step strategy plan for you to start making money online. And so check out that course, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay awesome.